Hello, and welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we're diving into a fascinating paper where an AI system took on one of the toughest academic challenges out there, the Chinese Physics Olympiad. The paper is called LOCA-R, Near-Perfect Performance on the Chinese Physics Olympiad 2025. Olympiad-level physics problems are incredibly difficult, requiring not just math skills, but also deep, abstract reasoning about physical principles. For years, this has been a major hurdle for even the most advanced AI systems. The researchers in this paper introduced a new framework called LOCA-R, which stands for Logical Chain Augmentation for Reasoning. Think of it as an AI that doesn't just guess the answer, but meticulously breaks down each problem into tiny, verifiable steps. As you can see from this diagram, it's a multi-stage process involving problem interpretation, augmentation, and then having other AI agents review each step for correctness. So, how did it do? On the CPHO 2025 theory exam, LOCA-R achieved a near-perfect score of 313 out of 320 points. To put that in perspective, this score solidly surpassed the highest-scoring human competitor, who scored 204. It also significantly outperformed other powerful AI methods like those based on chain of thought or tree of thoughts. The secret sauce seems to be its atomic and sequential review process. Instead of looking at the whole solution at once, which can be overwhelming, it reviews one logical step at a time. It assumes the previous steps are correct and just checks if the current step logically follows, which is incredibly effective at catching subtle errors. The researchers tested LOCA-R with several different base AI models, including Gemini 2.5 Pro and GPT-5. As this chart shows, the LOCA-R framework consistently and significantly improved the performance of every model it was applied to. This shows that the framework itself is what's making the big difference, not just the underlying AI. Now, 313 is not 320, so it wasn't absolutely perfect. The paper transparently details the few remaining errors, which were incredibly subtle. One was a simple sign error in a formula for recoil force, which the system failed to catch during its self-correction process. Another was a numerical calculation error where the model was off by a factor of 1,000. Paradoxically, the AI was perfectly capable of performing the same calculation correctly when asked in isolation, showing that context can still be a challenge. So, let's recap the important points. A new AI framework called LOCA-R has achieved a near-superhuman, near-perfect score on the Chinese Physics Olympiad, beating the top human contestant by a wide margin. Its success comes from a methodical, step-by-step reasoning and self-review process that improves upon how humans tackle complex problems. So, what does this mean for the future? This breakthrough suggests we are on the cusp of developing AI that can act as a powerful assistant for scientists and engineers, helping to solve some of the world's most complex challenges. It could also revolutionize education, providing students with perfectly explained, step-by-step solutions. The age of AI-assisted science might be closer than we think. Thanks for watching Summarize Science. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more breakdowns of the latest research.